What's up, guys? Another awkward car review.
Yes, we got some Uncle Bullcow and Sgt Dunn Jerky. I seen Jayson from This Is Gonna Hurt eat a few pieces and he loved it. He said, I think he said Doomsday was a little hotter, but this actually had flavor, like good flavor, because there's 40 plus different peppers in it, which is awesome.
Hello?
Bullcow, man, he's crazy and makes good stuff, which is awesome. Yeah, featuring over 40 different super hots.
Why are my glasses not coming?
So we're going to do the winners of the giveaway. We got 2 winners, so let's get that going for you guys.
Spinny, 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 spinny.
And while it's spinning, when we hit 1K, we're going to do Surstroming Oreos. Willet Oreo is coming back when we hit 1K.
We did not discuss this. This is not written in stone. Charlie Layton.
Charlie. We just sent Charlie some tanks.
Yeah.
That is exciting. Well, actually, he already got them, but still. Reach out, Charlie. I will send you some merch. You can pick whatever you want. Speaking of that,
I'm going to spin again while he shows you.
Ember from Sgt Dunn's wife,
Mama Dunn,
made this for us. Super cute. I love this a lot. I will leave her link in the description if you want any of like stuff like this. She will do it for you at a pretty good rate.
Hey, guess what?
As well. Heat my shorts. There it is, Steve. Let me know what you want. We will send that right out to you. It could be anything on our merch site, which is in the link in the description. It'll say merch site, and then boop. And if, you know.
And sorry, it stopped like mid-roll because I had a notification. So if you see me messing with my phone, I had a notification from my kid's doctor.
Yeah. So congrats to Charlie and Heat My Shorts. That is freaking awesome. We'll probably try doing one of these like every month, every 6 weeks or so.
We want our name on stuff.
Well, let's get into this deliciousness.
Okay, bye. Gotta go.
So, yes. Once we finally hit that 1K goal, I think that's what we're going to do.
I think that's...
Unless someone has any other ideas,
please
drop below.
Please, another idea. Please. I beg you.
Yes. We are slowly but surely getting there.
Can I just do my team?
This smells delicious.
Can I just do my team?
No. Oh, sorry. Dunn and Bullcow.
You get a piece and rip me off a little piece.
I'm going to try and eat 3 pieces.
Okay, I know, but you know how my
I'm
teeth
going
are.
to light myself on fire. You know how my teeth are.
I know, and you're willingly going to eat a whole piece. I cannot chew a whole piece.
Alright, half.
No.
Do a halfie.
No. It hurts.
For the peeps.
It hurts my teeth.
For the peeps. You did 2 drops of tank the other day. So do half a piece.
I'll do half a Robbie.
No. It's not the same.
I'll do a whole Robbie. Maybe not all at once, but I'll do a whole Robbie. Can you bite it off for me?
I have to do a whole piece. 3 whole pieces.
I know, can you bite it in half?
That's not a whole piece if I give you half.
I'm not eating a whole piece.
Drop it in here. I said half.
I was going to try to bite it in half.
Oh, yeah, and I said put it back. After you take the half.
Oh my god, I'm so confused.
Guys.
Okay, Riley's got a big old ear infection and new medicine. Okay, I haven't been sleeping.
Where's the other half of the half? Just take a bite of it. No. Throw it in. It don't matter. We share everything.
Oh my god. No.
It kind of smells like teriyaki.
No. It already burns and I just like...
It's going to burn a little bit, but... Alright.
I'm trying. Sorry guys, I have bad teeth. My teeth are not made for hard things. I have troubles chewing meat. I'm a struggle in itself, alright? Okay, remind me to go straight to the bathroom when we get in and wash my hands. Because you know I'm going to
yeah.
rub my eyeball.
I already have sawdust in mine. I washed it out, but I still feel grimy.
From the palate? How bad
It's
is
slowly building. It's not bad. It tastes good.
it? I'm not going to be able to taste it. I don't taste hot, remember?
You'll be fine. Just make sure you chew it up pretty good. Yeah.
Because I haven't really eaten today. Oh no. Oh, Mama, no.
It's a slow build.
That's all. Oh my god. I'm cooling.
It's pretty warm.
I gagged. Sorry, I gagged really hard.
Dish number 2 for you. Ooh, alright. Starting to get a little head sweat. I get a different kind of flavor. Ooh. I wonder if jerky can give me the hiccups.
I got tears.
Yep, I got my first tear. Here we go. Ooh. Oh. Don't slam the door.
Sorry.
Ember also made this shirt for me. I love it. I'm probably at a 4.
Oh, that's hot. It's in my teeth, but I can't get it out.
That's a big piece. Look at this. All right, here we go. Number 3.
Now y'all see why I don't eat jerky. There's a texture issue. Whoa!
That's all the juice. That's some hot stuff. I think I've peaked.
Baby, you didn't even have to get that close. They can see it.
Let it.
It's hot as shit.
Let it marinate. Got a little sniffle. See, I'm at a 5. Whew. That's good jerky. If you like chewy jerky, it's the way to go. Honestly. He has so many different flavors. Sweet, teriyaki, barbecue.
The habanero one's
hot.
banging. I take it and take like little slivers off of it.
No endorphin yet. Sgt Dunn. I'll leave his link below too for his jerky. This one's good. I do think Doomsday is a little hotter, but this one's slow build. Doomsday's like a punch in the face.
I can't feel my lips.
There we go. Ooh. There we go. Got a little bit of endorphins. Just a little bit. Yeah, I'd say I peaked at a 5. That was a good 5.
Done. Thank you for single-handedly helping me hydrate today. Because I almost chugged this bottle.
You can see my tears. Ooh. It's a lot of pepper powder juices.
Them juicy, big juicy man tears.
But yeah, if you have anything you want us to do for 1K,
Please.
help get us there. If you could, we definitely want to do something for you guys that you want willing to wait and watch.
I will willingly get cap cramps for 1,000.
But
not with jerky.
She might get it before that. Who knows? We'll see.
Yeah, since I only ate hash browns this morning. I didn't get time to eat anything else.
Whew. No hiccups. I didn't get hiccups from this jerky. I'm trying to get hiccups. There's a weird hiccup group out there. Just so you know.
We made it to the weird part of YouTube, man.
Yeah.
Peach mango.
I'm good. I'm down to like a 2 now.
You forgot.
But great jerky. Bullcow makes some great hot sauces. Super hot tinctures. And whew, the powders on this, phenomenal. This was great blend. But you gotta get back to work.
I'll be doing this later.
She'll do a Robbie of this probably later today.
I might.
We might get 2 videos from us today. Why not? But thanks for watching, guys. It's at 12 minutes. Oh boy.
Woo! That was also my mess up in the beginning, so.
Yeah.
Edit. Sorry, I look like a homeless person.
Good day, mate.